Open your MS Excel application and go to your data. Once in your data, go to the top on your ribbon and select the option Insert. Within the section Filters, you can find the option Timeline. In this case, it will ask you to select the data you want to use. Other example, if you already have a pivot table like we do in another tab. Click on your pivot table and this will enable a new option in your ribbon called Pivot Table Analyze. In there within Filter you will see Insert Timeline. Once you click the option, it will pop up a new window so you can select the data you want to use for your timeline. If you click in your timeline, it will enable a new option in your ribbon called Timeline, where you can modify things in the timeline like columns, color, and much more. Then you can proceed to click in any of the options in your timeline like years, quarter, months, or days, and it will modify your data based on your selection.